this video off with like a whole intro or something and really just like dive into being a YouTuber, but today I just do not have patience. So yeah, I've been taking care of the kids all day, I've been taking care of the dogs all day, I've been taking care of laundry, everything. Our Christmas tree is still up. That's the vibe. Today I'm going to be making blueberry cheesecake, muffins, and some kind of dinner with steak. I don't know what yet.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
What kind of birthday you're having?
Pokemon!
Yes.
Mommy.
Come here.
And we're having a Pikachu
Strong.
robot.
We look so cute like this. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. If anybody was wondering why I cook on the stove, it's mainly just because we do not have counter space. Like we have our microwave over there, just like that. And then we have our stove and then that stove over there. So we literally, and then behind me we just have like our hot plate and like our cookie or cake thingy. So that is why I'm always cooking on the stove. I know it's probably not the best, but I'm making do with what I have.
Let's wait for our dad.
Baby, you know you cannot get up here.
I'm saving her some space. We're trying to get over here. Sit from that. Yeah. No, not this.
Not that.
No. This. No, it's like this. It's popping fast. Ow!
Why are you looking like that?
Like what?
Crush on you. Okay, so I have my camera set up. We are gonna be starting with 1 3/4 cup of flour. So 1 cup, 3/4 cup. Then some people sift it. I don't really. It's just for the house, so it's not a big deal for us. You need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm gonna level that off real quick. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add that to it. You need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And honestly, you're gonna mix it around. I got my slice baby spatula. My son bit the tip right here. That's why that's missing. He did that like 2 or 3 years ago now. Yeah, it's okay. Oop. Almost messed up. Can you put that up for me? I mixed it, and then the lighting looks different because my light died, but you're gonna put an egg in there, and then hold on. I'm gonna put an egg white in there. Oh shoot. Like that. And then you're gonna mix that as well. I can't wait for my light to turn back on because it looks better with the light. And you can use a mixer. I normally use a mixer. I don't know why I'm using this. 4 tablespoons of butter, and you're gonna melt it. Okay, so then you're gonna add that in. Okay, I don't know how I did this, but I forgot sugar. So I'm adding sugar now. 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking. Okay. Last but not least, for that. Well, it's actually not last because we still have to add blueberries, duh. but you add 1/4 cup of oil. So then you're gonna add in your blueberries. 1.5 cup of those. I do a little less just because it's a preference. I just realized I didn't have my light up, but anyway, it looks like a Monsters Inc. type of monster whenever you get it all mixed in. And it's ready. Okay, the camera died, so I didn't get to record this, but this is a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and 1/3 cup of sugar and 8 ounces of cream cheese. And you're just gonna mix that together, and that will be your mixture for the middle of your muffins. I let my cream cheese get really warm. You can honestly pop it in the microwave. That's what I do sometimes. And then it'll be like this consistency. Oh.
We're ready. You need me to do anything else while I'm in here?
You gonna dry the bowl?
Yeah, I already did.
Oh, you did?
I wiped it down and I put it in the dry rack to make sure that it was all dried out.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Just sleep. Oh my goodness. Bubba, did you know sister went to sleep? Oh. This is what they look like, and then you have to add a topping to them. Okay, so this is what they will look like, and then you're gonna pop them in the oven for 25 minutes. So these are the muffins fresh out of the oven. We have some spillage from the blueberries, but that is okay. And also ignore the meat over here. I'm just recording the end.